Kami, and today's video is a middle split stretching routine and tutorial. So the first around 10 minutes of this video is a stretching routine for the splits, and the last 2 minutes is a tutorial. So all you need is a mat and yourself, and go as deep as you can. Beginner modification will be at the top right corner of some of the stretches. So with all that said, let's get started with the routine. First up is a butterfly sit. Sit with your legs crossed and push your knees down to the ground for a deeper stretch.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here, now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror?
Up next are alternating side lunges. We're going to repeat this 5 times on each leg.
Carry on, oh I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause it's not enough.
Now we're going to hold it on each leg for 30 seconds.
Maybe it's not enough, baby, I don't wanna lose you. After all that we've been through, if you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. You're still falling out.
Next, we're going to sit on the ground and go into a straddle. In a straddle, you should only go as deep as you can. You shouldn't be mistaken with the middle split. Here, we're going to reach to one side.
Maybe it's not enough, baby, I don't wanna lose you. After all that we've been through, if you could change my mind, I would do it.
Reach over on top of the leg.
Love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me.
Reach to the inside of the leg.
The streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
Reach to the center.
We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly
all the previous stretches on the other side, starting with the leg retrowers.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
For the next few stretches, you're going to need a wall. First, we're going to put our legs up straight against the wall and then push our legs down into a split on the wall as far as you can. These are some of the best stretches to get the middle splits.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
This time, push your legs down as far as you can.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story
Pulse your legs to go into a deeper middle split on the wall.
watching where I step, still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it.
Now put your legs down and push your hips towards the wall into as deep of a middle split as you can. The final stretch is a standing butterfly stretch. So you're going to stand with your legs about shoulder width apart and put your knees outwards.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I
Do the middle splits. Stand with your feet more than shoulder width apart and slide down to the ground as deep as you can with socks. You might not be able to go into a full middle split on your first try. We are going to try and hold this for 30 seconds.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Fly away. It's the first time of today.